This is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to deep sleep different applications on your Samsung tablet or phone. So just go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down to where it says Device Care. Go to Battery. Now you can see the battery information right here, and you can see the different applications using your battery. So you might notice there's a few applications in here that are using a lot of battery, but you never actually open them up. You could try deep sleeping them. So we can go on down, and there's some information right here like background usage limits. We can go to this, and we have the option for deep sleeping apps. Deep sleeping apps are inactive in the background and may not receive updates or notifications. They will become active when they are open. So only when they are opened will this become an issue, really. Then we can go to the plus icon right here, and we can just tap the different applications. Let's see all these different ones. So we got TikTok. Let's go to TikTok and add that. I'll probably never use that. So this is added to the deep sleeping apps, and that shouldn't be using battery in the background. And then we have sleeping apps right here. We can do the same thing. Sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally. Updates and notifications may be delayed. So I'm not sure the exact amount, but let's just say maybe like once a week they will be open in the background, and maybe they'll update then, But it's not going to be running all the time. So you can try doing that with some apps as well. Let's just add TikTok here. Maybe I can, maybe I can't if I add in the other location. So that was moved. So try sleeping some apps, never auto sleep apps. Put unused apps to sleep, okay? So if you don't use the application a lot, it's going to be put to sleep. That's probably good. So just look at this option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.